dress up to get love. Guess what? I'm never gonna be that girl sitting in a Barbie world.
Hi guys, welcome to our first video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. We're going to be trying to upload as much as we can. Hope you enjoy! Lucy, what are we doing with the slimes today?
Well, I bought the slime in and I thought we can do slime bubbles. So I got 4 slimes. I bought these to the Unicorn Twist Poo. This is actually putty and this one's also putty confetti one. And these 2 were homemade, the clear one and the white one. So which one do you want to do first?
Don't know, you can choose.
Let's do this one. Then put these back down here. And then we can do this one here. Oh, this one's really hard. But, oh,
I don't think we're going to be able to do it with this.
no, we can try. Okay, no, we can't.
It's like the tug of war.
Yeah, you can play tug of war with this slime. We just bought these, and then this one was just really hard. So we bought these 2. So let's do this one next.
That slime was a fail, by the way.
Yeah, that one was fail. I don't know. This one's quite stretchy, and it's pokey, and well, a bit pokey. I'm gonna try to do it with this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it isn't like stretchy enough to go outwards and that, so that was a fail. Well, I think.
And it was still, it's because it's so thick, it was really thick when we were getting ready to make the bubble. It needs to be more.
Yeah. So, and then let's do this clear one. This is
This
is my favourite homemade slime. Okay. And let's do. Oh,
It's ready.
It's a spray. It's not that stretchy, I think. It's not stretchy.
It rips when you stretch
Yeah, so this one was a fail.
They've all been fails so far.
Yeah, and we only have one left. So I'll do this one. And then this one's, I think, this one's my favourite because it's really nice.
It was pink, but then it changed colour.
Then we played with it. The last slime.
Hopefully it's a successful one.
Yay! We made one! These are the slimes that we used. Them 3 were a fail and this one was a success. Thank you guys for watching.
Stay tuned for our next video.
Bye!
Dress up to get love. Guess what? I'm never gonna be that girl